I received this tattoo Aftercare Balm as a gift, and I've been really happy with it. It's made for both new and old tattoos, so it's a great all-around aftercare option. Right away, I noticed it has a light, fruity scent, nothing too strong or overpowering, just really pleasant when you apply it. The texture is smooth and buttery, and it absorbs nicely without feeling greasy on my skin. I actually used this on a tattoo that's over 6 years old, and it made it look great. The black and white looked super vibrant, my skin looked healthier, and it gave the tattoo a refreshed, well-moisturized look. This balm is made with 100% natural ingredients and it's petroleum free, which I really appreciate. It deeply moisturizes without clogging pores and leaves the skin feeling soft and comfortable. It works well for healing new tattoos, but it's also perfect for maintaining older tattoos and keeping them looking their best. If you're looking for a gentle, great smelling tattoo balm that actually improves how your tattoos look, this one is definitely worth checking out.